the Assam police continues its massive war against drugs with over 250 arrests made in a span of a week. We have this report.
Assam declares war on drugs. Dozens of arrests made, scores of cases registered. The Assam police is going all out to deal a lethal blow to drug trade in the state, following express orders from Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to intensify crackdown on the illegal trade on a war footing. The urgency of the move can be gauged from the fact that the Chief Minister is himself keeping track of the daily seizures and arrests made in connection with the crackdown. From Guwahati to Dhubri, Kokrajhar to Batadrava, the Assam police is leading a massive crackdown on the drug mafia operating in the state. The arrest of a DSP rank police officer in Dhubri in connection with drug trade indicates the seriousness of the Home Department in dealing with the matter. If we look at the sustained efforts of Assam police under the direction of the Chief Minister, as many as 120 cases were registered only between May 25th to 29th, and over 220 arrests were made during the same period. Add to it the 35 arrests made on May 30th and another 20 cases registered, in the figure looks whopping and the police crackdown unprecedented. Leading from the front in the operations is Assam DGP Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto, who is coordinating with SPs of 33 districts to ensure the sustained crackdown. So why this sudden crackdown on the drug mafia? What could have triggered such a move by the Assam police? While observers point out that such a move was long due and the process had begun back in January 2021, the entire operation got fresh momentum after a clear-cut order from Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma to deal a decisive blow to the smuggling and sale of contraband items. Sharma's bid to bring a permanent end to all insurgent activities within Assam's borders may have also prompted this crackdown of a massive scale. It is learned that in the wake of the pandemic, drug trade has become the mainstay of majority of the terror groups who are carrying out interstate operations to facilitate movement of the contraband items. However, Assam's drug problem is more complex than it meets the eye. Assam has become a corridor for drug trafficking to the rest of the country, with illegal drugs first transported to it from the neighboring states like Manipur and Mizoram. Thereafter, from Guwahati, they are further transported to different parts of the country. The routes through which these narcotics are transported to Assam include the Moreh-Imphal route, Kohima-Dimapur, Karbi-Anglong, Golaghat route, and Myanmar-Mizoram, Barak Valley, Meghalaya route, among others. With multiple routes operational, the state police definitely has its task cut out. However, reports are coming in that sustained efforts in the last couple of weeks has already started yielding results, turning the heat on peddlers and the drug mafia. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.